How to make heroes from the Minecraft game and keep your child busy for the evening. We will need a wooden bar of square section of any size and piece of rubber. From the tools, we need a saw, screwdriver, file and PVA glue. I'll show you everything in a couple of minutes. We measure approximately 3 parts of width of the side of the bar for the body, arms and legs, and 2 parts of the head. For example, if we have a bar 10 by 10 mm, then we cut off 6 pieces of 30 and 4 pieces of 20 mm. Then we remove irregularities with a file. It should turn out something like this. Next, we need to glue the head and body. Any PVA glue works best. Press the parts to each other harder and wait. After an hour, the glue will be hard enough and you can trim the bumps. Next, we need to drill through holes to connect all parts with rubber. To do this, take a drill of 2-3 mm and drill as shown. Using 4 to 5 mm drill, we make small recesses at the tips of the arms and legs, so that knots of the rubber do not stick out. Now take the rubber, cut it and make a knot at one end. We pass the other end through the leg, half of the body and head, and return it back to the second half of the body and the second leg. By the same principle, we join hands. That's it. The Minecraft figure is ready. It is left to you to give it to a Minecraft lover so that he or she draws her favorite skin. Be prepared that the matter will not end with the one character.